Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing what Armstrong number is and how to determine if a number is Armstrong or not. So first of all, what is Armstrong number? So let's say a number is given to you. For example, let's say 153 is given to you, right? First of all, count the digits. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So digits are 3. Total number of digits are 3, right? After that, write each digits here, then 3. Write each digits, and then you're going to take the power. So 1 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3, 3 raised to 3. What is this 3? This 3 is the number of total digits, right? And then you will sum them up. And if the answer, let's say the answer is x, if the answer is equals to the actual number, if it is equals to the actual number, then it's called Armstrong number, right? So in this case, what will be the answer? Okay, so the digits are 3 digits. In this case, 1 raised to 3 plus 5 raised to 3 or 5 cube plus 3 cube. So it will be 1 plus 125 plus 27. So this will be 153. Oh, I mean this number is equals to this number. Oh, I mean whenever they are equal, we'll be calling them Armstrong number, right? But this is not necessary that, there can be numbers like, let's take some other example like 1, 2, 3. The size, or I may not call it as a size, but maybe the number of digits, it's 3. Then we'll be like 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. It will be 1 plus 8 plus 27. The answer is 36. Oh, I mean 26 is not equals to 123. That means 123 is not an Armstrong number, right? So that's how you will be determining whether a number is Armstrong or not. So the first step is to get the size or get the total number of digits. If you got that, after that extract each digits, and then do this operation. Basically the digit raised to the total number of digits, right? And then sum them up and store it in a variable, right? So the code will be so simple, but let me just walk you through the pseudocode. So let's write the pseudocode. Let's say n is the number. First step, what you have to do, you have to do this operation, right? I mean digit plus digit plus digit. I mean these, let's say these digits are different, okay? And raised to the size, right? Size. So first of all, you'll have to get this. So what is the size? Like how many digits are there in that number? So you will have to extract that. Let's say int size I have declared 0, and then I'm going to do a while loop num. I'm not using this n directly, but instead I'll be using num, and n will be stored in num, right? So here what I'm going to do, I'll be doing just count plus plus and then num divided equals to 10. If you are not understanding this, please go and watch my previous videos, right? There I have shown you how to get the total number of digits in a number, right? So this part is over. So here size will be storing the size, I mean the total number of digits in that number. After that, what you are going to do, again you utilize this n, but don't change that n, right? So let's say I'll be writing the rest of the code here. Okay, so I won't be changing n. So let's say num is currently 0. Why? Because see, when num is greater than 0, basically if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these all are treated as true. If it is 0, it is treated as false, right? So I didn't write this explicitly, but you can write greater than 0 also. If you don't want to write, then also it's fine. So at this time, when you go the size, num will be 0, because this operation is being done. It is to remove the digits, and at last all the digits will be removed, right? But in order to extract the digits, you again need those digits. So again I will be storing something like num equals to n. Again I am not modifying n, I am modifying num, right? So I will like while num greater than 0, or you can ignore this. Inside this while loop I will be getting the last digit, right? So num %10, this will be the last digit, and I will be maintaining a sum here. Sum equals to 0, so sum is plus or equals to digit raised to size, right? So how to write this? Digit, let's say a raised to b. How to write this? We have an STL library, so it will be like a comma b, p o w bracket open, a comma b bracket close, right? So here it will be p o w d comma size. That's it, right? So at the end, the sum will be storing the sum of all these powers, right? So that's how you will be getting the answer. But yeah, remember, you got this digit, next time also you will get the same digit, right? So you have to remove that digit. So num equals to num divided by 10. This will be removing the last digit. So that's how you'll be writing the code. Okay, now let's write the code. So first we will be taking the input, that is n, taking input, right? After that we will be calculating the size. So calculation of size, how to calculate? Let's say size is 0 at first, while okay, I will be storing this n into some num so that I need this n later on, right? So while num is greater than 0, we'll be going inside, and in each step I'll be reducing the last digit, and I'll be counting, and that will be my size. I'll be counting it, right? So I got the size. Now I would like to get the sum of all the powers, right? So let's take a variable, put 0 at the beginning, and I'll be doing a while loop. Num is greater than 0, but wait a second, num is actually 0 right now. So again change this num and put this value inside the num. And why I am not using n directly? Because I will be using n at the end to compare whether the sum is equals to the actual number or not, right? So here I will get the digit. Here I will be getting the digit, right? So num modulo 10. Then calculate the sum plus or equals to power of digit raised to size. Then remove that last digit. So num, this will be removing the last digit, or the digit that we took here, right? So that's it. Right now sum will be having the sum of all the powers, and then n will be the actual number, right? So we will just compare it if sum is equals to n or not. If it is Armstrong, if it is not, Armstrong, right? So I think it should run fine. Okay, I didn't give any input. let's say 1 2 3. I didn't run this. 1 2 3, not Armstrong. Okay, okay. Let's give some Armstrong number. 153 was the Armstrong number, right? Let's check this. Yes, it is Armstrong number. Let's check for some other number. 1634. This is actually an Armstrong number. Yeah, it's still an Armstrong number. Let's give some other number. 1253. This is not an Armstrong number. So let's check. Okay, it's not an Armstrong number. So the code is working. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see ya.